Good morning. I'm gonna go and attempt to tackle our cement lawn. There's weeds like no other. This isn't the TV show, and I'm not a drug-dealing suburban mother. In my dreams, right? In my dreams.
Little boxes on the hillside, little boxes made of ticky-tacky, little boxes on the hillside, little boxes all the same. There's a pink one and a green one and a blue one and a yellow one.
Is this kale? Excuse me. Okay, bye. Okay, guy, you need to stay in your lane.
So as you can see, I just went in the ocean. It was a bit of a fail though, because I was walking out and I was thinking it's just gonna be this dramatic plunge into the icy sea. The ground was pure knives, so it was just about 10 minutes of me slowly walking, yelling ow, 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 ow. And so I look back to see if anyone's watching me, because I look like an idiot. And there's just a flock of birds and the fucking moon just staring at me. Like, is this a joke to you? And he's still there. He has the audacity to laugh at me. And I don't know what's up with birds these days, but they have no manners. What do you want? Hey, come over and say it to my face. Fuck, there's a bee. There's a bee on me. There's a pure bee on me. Today is not my day. Did you see that bee? It's back! There's a lady staring at me. Nowhere else on the beach. There's no birds. Anywhere else in the... Am I the bird lady now? Is this who I am? Is this my identity?
Bitch better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough.
Sweat. Sweet baby sweat.
Get off the bed for 1 second, please.
What?
Please get off the bed. I have to do something.
That's what you meant to do.
Stop it. Where's my...
Your tag's showing. Embarrassing.
Haley, you better not be putting that on, you know. Out. Get out. I have to do my stuff. Haley. Stop it. Get out of here. I'm gonna scream.
I made one mistake.
Oh.
It's supposed to be ginger ale. I bring you a can of orange crush.
Oh.
But what about I bring you ginger ale later on?
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't care, yeah.
So I can drop the can of, bottle of ginger leave it.
Yeah, if you do, we'll be awake.
I don't bother to not to do it. I just leave it behind the door. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Haley. Look in here. Haley, look in here. What is that?
These eyes cry every night for you.
iPhone 6. iPhone 6. iPhone 6. My sunglasses are too dark. iPhone 6. I have an iPhone 6.
Help him! Someone help him!
There are so many daddies. There are so many daddies.
What? Denied. Denied her.
I didn't even like answer her. I just went like and stared at her.
Ferris wheels are boring. Walking someone jogging on my iPhone 6.
Here comes the party. I'm just kidding. You're just so shut up. Are we going on the beach thing or what?
We're trying to get on one last ride. One last ride. We got 10 minutes. T-minus 10 minutes, baby. Baby. Okay, they gotta clean the puke off a crazy beach ride, and then they're gonna give us one last ride.
get me